Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Alexis Christophorus, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Christina Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at today?
Well, Paul, let's talk about Nvidia because that is the one stock that is on everybody's minds this morning. So ticker NVDA, those shares are down more than 2%, 2.5% at the moment, actually. And that is because we did get that reporting from the Financial Times saying that China's internet regulator has told the country's biggest technology companies to stop buying Nvidia chips. This is specifically the RTX Pro 6000D chips. Now, this chip isn't regarded as among Nvidia's marquee products. It's more of a high-end card. They designed it specifically for the restricted Chinese market. But now we have this order from the Chinese authorities telling their biggest companies to not buy the chip. We did get a report from the BBC quoting Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang saying that he's, quote, disappointed by the ruling and that he would be, quote, patient in responding to it.
All right. Also, Christine, General Mills, I guess, benefiting from the fact that more folks are eating at home. They're eating out less. But I'm looking at the stock. It's not doing much of anything right now.
Yeah, absolutely, Alexis. It's down. So ticker GIS, General Mills, shares down just 0.8% at the moment. So clearly, that first quarter adjusted EPS beat not doing much to lift that stock at the moment. But they did get that beat. It's 86 cents, topping analyst estimates. And the company was saying that is indeed the rise of home cooking among value-conscious consumers that are struggling with inflation that has helped some of their segments, including rice and beans. But at the same time, there is kind of a warning in there. They did say that sales in North America retail segment dropped 13% for the quarter to $2.6 billion. So that's probably
How many people
why.
are substituting in store brands for name brands?
I know I am.
I know I am.
Yeah,
I never
I
even
am
thought
too.
of that until the last 4 or 5 years.
Yeah. So that's probably why we're not getting much of a lift, because it's a bit of a double-edged sword kind of report from General Mills today.
Well, you spend generations building up brand value and then poof, gone.
That's what a little inflation will do.
That's what a little inflation will do. LLY, Eli Lilly.
LLY, Eli Lilly. So those shares not up by much, just about 0.4% at the moment. But they did get good news from a trial of their GLP-1 drug. It's an oral drug, experimental diabetes pill, which showed that people on this for the trial lost more weight and had better blood sugar control than those in an older approved rival from Novo Nordisk. So this is a head-to-head drug trial. Patients that were given Eli Lilly's oral drug lost 8.2% of their body weight in 52 weeks versus 5.3% for the Novo drug. So doctors who were they presented the results to doctors, and the doctors saying that the results look positive. They say that the tablet will make it possible to treat more patients because it's easier to produce and to take, given that it is an oral drug.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.